In a previous video, we looked at the Change Region feature applied to an entire document. In this video, you'll learn about 3 different ways to apply Change Region to specific series in the series list. We'll look at how to replicate and change the country for a group of indicators, for an expression with multiple series, and finally, how to replace a series that was used in multiple expressions. Let's start in the Series and Expressions tab. Here we have 3 series that are all indicators for Germany. To add the same group of indicators for another country, select all of them and right-click. If you wanted to replace these with equivalent series from another country, you would select Change Region, but since we want to replicate them, we'll select Change Region and duplicate. In this window, we'll add France and Spain. Just select a new region here, click Add, and close the window when finished. We've now added multiple series for several countries very quickly. Change Region can also be used to add an expression that you have for another country. Here, we have the current account balance as a percentage of GDP for Sweden. To replicate this expression for, say, the United Kingdom, right-click and select Change Region and duplicate. By default, all the series in the expression are selected to be changed, but you can adjust that if you want to keep some series as they are. We'll change the region for the entire expression in this case, and click Add and Close. This really simplifies what would otherwise be a rather lengthy process. In our last example, we're looking at a document where we've calculated the ratio between several equity indices and the S&P 500 in the series list, and then rebased them. Now we want to replace the S&P with a different equity index. To change all the instances of the series at once throughout the document, we can go to the Series Information tab and change the region from here. As you did before, right-click on the series and select Change Region. Select the new region and apply the change. Now, in the Series and Expressions tab, the S&P 500 series has been replaced in all these expressions. So that's how you use Change Region in the series list. Remember, however, that this feature only works for series that can be located in the concept and category database, where we've developed cross-country mapping for headline indicators and harmonized sources.